Hello, students. Today we will be discussing percentages. So, let's get started. First of all, let's see what is average. To find the average of any given quantities, we add the quantities together and divide the sum by the number of quantities. Average is equal to sum of all given quantities divided by number of quantities. Find the average of the numbers 2, 3, 5, 6. Solution. Sum of the given numbers is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 16. Number of these numbers is equal to 4. Average of the given numbers is equal to 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Hence, the average of the given numbers is 4. Now, let's look at the percentages. Percentages are a way of expressing a part of a whole as a fraction of 100. They are useful for comparing quantities. Fractions to percentages. To convert a fraction into a percentage, you need to find the equivalent where the denominator is 100. Here, 4 by 5 is equal to 8 by 10 if we multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. Similarly, 8 by 10 can be written 80 by 100, which is equal to 80%. Pause the video and practice these questions. Convert the following fractions into percentages. Answer key. For first case, 45 by 100, the answer will be 45%. For second case, 3 by 10 can also be written as 30 by 100, which makes it 30%. For third case, 2 by 5 can be written as 20 by 100, that is 40%. Just remember, make the denominator equal to 100 by multiplying the same number in the numerator and denominator, both. Now, let's see how to convert percentages to decimals. In order to convert percentages into decimals, divide it by 100. For example, 88%, when divided by 100, becomes 0.88. Similarly, 70% becomes 0.7, and 7% becomes 0.07. Fractions to decimals. To convert fractions into decimals, divide the numerator by the denominator. For example, for 3 by 8, when 3 is divided by 8, we get 0.375. Here's how. First, 3 divided by 8 is 0 with 3 left over. So after the 0, we add a decimal point and a 0 after the 3. Now, 30 divided by 8 is 3 with 6 left over. Again we add a 0 after 6. So, 60 divided by 8 is 7 with 4 left over. Adding 0 after 4. 40 divided by 8 is 5. So, 3 by 8 as a decimal is 0.375. Now, solve this exercise of converting fractions to decimal and then to percentage. Here's the solution. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Eduref to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 5th. Thank you.